Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss AtCoder Beginner Contest on problem number B. Can you solve this? So the problem statement says there are n uh, pieces of source code. There are n pieces of source code. The characteristic of the ith code is represented by m integers, and additionally I have given m integers b and integer c. Uh, the ith could correctly solve this problem if and only if a ion b1 a I2 b2 plus dot dot a im bm plus c is greater than 0. Among n codes, find the number of codes that correctly solve this problem. So I think the problem statement is not clear enough, and the constant says uh, this is very small. Okay, then the input format is I have to take three integer n, m, and c. Okay, uh, then I have to take m number of integers b1 dot bm. Okay, then I have to take integers a, um, a. Okay, so a on dot dot dot. Okay, so up to a nm. uh, okay, so I have to actually make a array a nm. Okay, then the output is print the number of codes among the given n codes that correctly solve this problem. Okay, so let's look at the sample input. I think it is more clear. Okay, so firstly I have to take three integer uh, m and c. Okay, then I have to take m integers b. So this is the m integers b. Then I have to take n set of m integers. Okay, so this is the n set of m integers. So I can declare it like n m. Okay, the sample output is 1. So I have to calculate or check that if uh, the condition that is given a of uh, suppose a of I j into b of m, right? So b of m, so m I can take it j um, plus c is greater than 0, is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then I will increment a counter. So firstly I have to take counter variable with 0. So let's solve it. How can we solve this? Let's see. Okay, so firstly uh, I have to take three integer. So input n m c, then input uh, then input b, right? So m number of m integers. Okay, so input b of m. Okay, then I have to input a of n m, and I can uh, iterate through m. I can iterate n by I equal to 0 to I is lesser than n, and increment by 1, uh, and uh, Okay, so I have to count that the condition is greater than 0. So I can take a variable, I can take a counter variable, integer count equal to 0. Okay, so then I can, for every I have to check the condition, right? So I can initialize here a variable with some variable with 0, and I have to iterate every uh, m number of m elements, and so I can take z equal to 0, z is lesser than m, and increment by 1, and I have to check the condition. uh, okay, so now I can update the sum with sum plus equal to uh, a of I z multiple into p of uh, sorry into p of j, right? Then after this operation I can just check the condition. If uh, sum plus c, so this is sum plus c is greater than 0, then I will increment the counter variable by 1. Okay, so I can, okay, counter plus plus, okay, and last of all I will print the uh, counter. Okay, so I have will print counter variable. Yes, this is the expected output. Okay, so let's see the code. Okay, so here is the code. Here first of all I take input three integer variable nm and c, and then uh, I take input b of m integers b, then I take input a and m. Okay, and here is the main part of this code. So initially I declared a counter variable with 0, and I have to check this condition a of ij into bj plus c is greater than 0 for every I. So I can here I declared a some variable with 0 initially, and then I iterate the through m integers and just added a of ij into bj, and after iterating uh, uh, all m integers I have to check this condition, sum plus c is greater than 0 or not. If it is true, then I incremented counter variable by 1, then I just printed the counter variable. So yes, this is the answer of this problem. Okay, thank you.